My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I love to give you the information that you need to make an informative and educational decision. I don't like to babble. I don't do a lot of promotions other than this. If you really need people who know what the hell they're doing and someone who has a lot of experience, our firm has over 200 direct years of IRS work experience. Today, oh yeah, by the way, for me, I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've worked over 10,000 cases, and I've been on every major news television station, including 4 TV interviews in the last 3 weeks. Today, I want to go ahead and talk to you about the offer and compromise, but the negative effects. Most people tell you how to get the offer accepted. You should know that at IRS, I was an offer specialist. I used to accept offers and deny offers and compromise. Just so you know, that's one of the things that I went ahead and did. And therefore, I know everything about the offer and compromise that really you need to know. There are negative side effects, you may want to say, of the offer, and let me go over those with you. You don't hear about these because everyone's promoting, hey, give you the money. So you need to know just in case your offer doesn't go through, or these ancillary things. First of all, the offer and compromise extends the statute of limitations. You need to know that. It's going to extend it for the time it was in the offer and compromise status and a little longer. So you need to know it's been extended. So if you are close to your statute extension time, where the statutes are going to blow, you do not want to file your offer and compromise. It's better to ride the case out, and hopefully IRS rides it out after 10 years and don't collect any money. So I don't recommend anyone in the 7th or 8th year of a statute to file an offer and compromise. It usually will go away by statute. Unless IRS is on your tail right now, it's not going to go away. But if you're in the 7th or 8th year, don't file it. The other thing that you need to know is, you are giving IRS a paper trail to your assets, your income. So they're going to really look at you a lot closer if you're not a perfect candidate and you're giving them inroads and avenues to look at to maybe collect the money. So that's another thing you've got to be very careful about. The third thing you got to be awful careful about is, for the next 5 years, you got to pay and file timely. You don't hear a lot about that because most people don't want to promote those, but you need to know, for the next 5 years, if you don't pay your taxes on time and file on time, IRS keeps the money in the offer and compromise. The debt becomes real and live, and IRS goes ahead and keeps the money. So just be aware of those negatives. There are negatives that are out there. Remember, you give IRS an inroad, you go ahead and extend the statute of limitations, and for the next 5 years, if you're not current in payment and filing, IRS keeps the money. So just be aware of those, but I really caution people to make sure you know how much longer your statute has, because you do not want to file that offer and compromise if your statute's ready to blow. Just wait it out. You save the money. And by the way, the federal tax lien will go away also at the end of that 10-year period of time, or actually with the acceptance of the offer. If this was valuable to you, please give me a subscription. YouTube values us because of subscriptions. And if you have a comment, leave it. And we do representation and do consultation. If you need IRS experts, we are a team of those. Thank you so much for listening to my YouTube. I appreciate your time. Have a good day, my friends.